Our learning target says, I can count dimes and nickels to find the total value. Remember that a dime is worth 10 cents. So here's our dimes. And a nickel, which is pictured here, is worth 5 cents. That can help us when we're counting these coins down here. We'll count by tens first. We're going to count the larger amount coin first, and then we'll have to switch to counting by fives. What I like to do to help me do this is I'm actually going to write the number that the coin is worth to help me count by it. So this is 10, 10, and this is a nickel, so that's worth 5. So that'd be 10, 20, then 5 more. So that'd be 25. So 25 cents. Let's try another one. So we have 10. This is a dime, so that's 10, 10, and this is 5, because that's a nickel. So it would be 10, 20, 30, and then 5 more. So 30 plus 5 would be 35. So 35 cents. Our last one down here, we can see it has only one dime, so that's 10. And then there's 4 nickels, which are each worth 5. So I just like to write 5 on there as my reminder to count by 5 when I get there. Okay, so we have 10, and then I have to count by 5. So it was 10, 5 more than 10 is 15, 20, 25, 30. That's 30 cents. You'll see on your practice sheet today that that is exactly what you are doing. You will be counting dimes and nickels to find the total value. Here's that first example. Like I said, I find it really helpful to write the amount that the coin is worth. So we have 2 dimes. Dimes are each worth 10 cents. And then this nickel is worth 5 cents. So when I count that, 10, 20, and 5 more will be 25. So it'll be 25 cents. And do not forget your label, friends. Make sure to label, use that cent sign. You will see then that you also have some problems that are word problems. So if you have 1 dime and 5 nickels, how much money do you have? Draw a picture to represent it if you need to help you count. So there's my dime. Then I have 5 nickels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know the way we've been writing in these to know what type of coin it is. So this is my dime. I put a little D. And then nickels have my ends. I need 1 more nickel. Okay. Then I could count this. So it's 10. And then each of these nickels are worth 5. So 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So it's 35 cents. Okay, you could do the same thing for these next 2. Draw the 4 dimes and the 2 nickels. Draw the 2 dimes and the 5 nickels. Finally, it says draw dimes and nickels to show the total value. Well, this says 65 cents. So honestly, I'm going to start by just making a bunch of dimes because that will be easiest. So, well, 60 would be 6 dimes. So then I would draw 6 dimes here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have my 6 dimes. I'm going to write a D in them so I know it's a dime. And then I have 60 cents then because 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So now I just need 1 nickel. So I'm going to go ahead and make myself 1 nickel. I made the circle a little bigger because I know nickels are a little bigger. Make that 1 nickel. There you go. You'll want to do 20 cents and also 45 cents.